In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. First of all, just open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now, if you have more than one Google account, click on it over here and tap on the preferable one. Finally, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and then tap on this blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, Autofill option was successfully disabled. If you wish to enable it, tap on the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!